Okay, what is going on, CYPRX YouTubers? Welcome back to the CYPRX YouTube page. As always, if you're interested in learning about cryptocurrencies, commodities, indices, foreign exchange, how to trade them utilizing technical analysis, please go ahead and consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. Very interesting video for you all today. Tomorrow, we have an extremely important and critical deadline for the SEC versus Ripple case. As you guys can see on the screen, we have the deadline for the SEC to file any motion for reconsideration of Magistrate Judge Netburn's deliberative process, privilege, opinion, and order. All right, that's tomorrow. We also have some interesting upcoming dates on February 25th as well as February 28th to be mindful of and pay attention to. I'm going to give you all a technical analysis breakdown on what I think is going to happen for XRP in the next upcoming days and weeks. So stick around for that. Make sure that you guys smash that like button. This is going to be a quick video breakdown. I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a fundamental breakdown, reading to you an article on Cointelegraph. So without further ado, let's get started on that first, and then we'll head over to the technical analysis aspect on XRP. Guys, please make sure that you're subscribed to the YouTube channel and smash that like button. So here we have an article from Cointelegraph.com that reads, SEC versus Ripple. Here's how two 2012 memos can turn the tide in the milestone crypto case. We will soon know if XRP's executives were warned of the possibility of an SEC lawsuit ahead of the XRP launch. I highlighted a couple of areas for you all that I'm just going to read before heading over to the technical analysis, but we can see here, all right? Just to give you guys an update on what's going to happen tomorrow. It is an extremely crucial part in this court case, and we will see either a big, massive move to the upside or a massive move to the downside that is going to scare accredited investors, okay? So let's just be mindful of what happens tomorrow and what news comes out. But we see here, Ripple's court battle over the United States Securities and Exchange Commission has recently seen new developments, according to some observers, could foreshadow an impending resolution of this massively consequential case. February 17th marks the deadline for Ripple to unseal a series of 2012 documents whose contents will likely sway the opinions of both the court and the public toward either one side or another. All right, so this opening statement is extremely important. In another plot twist, the court's decision to treat some of the SEC's documents as open to discovery could set a groundbreaking precedent for similar cases involving U.S. executive agencies. Here is where things stand ahead of the next round of the showdown. What's at stake? The SEC's lawsuit against Ripple Labs Inc. filed on December 23, 2020 alleges that the company raised an upward of $1.3 billion by selling the XRP token without registering it as a security, which is what the agency considers it to be. Ripple's argument is that the XRP is a tool that facilitates an international payment rather than an unregistered investment product, and that the agency's jurisdiction does not extend to the token and its sales. Scrolling down here, unlike many others, Ripple chose to go all the way and get into a legal fistfight. So this is talking about how the majority of people that SEC opens cases against, other companies, they fall, they break, they either go to a settlement or they get crushed underneath the SEC's power. But, unlike many others, it says here, Ripple chose to go all the way and go into a full legal fistfight. If the SEC scores a win, the court precedent will reinforce the agency's claim for regulating much of the crypto market using tried and tested securities laws. If Ripple prevails, the need for a more nuanced regulatory regime tailored to various types of digital assets will become more evident than ever. It goes without saying that the SEC's regulatory ambitions would suffer a major blow if the later scenario plays out. While both Ripple as a company and the vociferous online community of its token supporters known as the XRP Army have been a divisive presence in the crypto space, the lawsuit's resolution will affect the entire U.S. digital asset industry. This last little bit right here was extremely crucial for me reading this article because, as you guys know, if XRP wins, it is most likely going to send a massive surge and an impulsive move to the upside on all cryptocurrencies and the majority of cryptocurrency altcoins. Okay, I think that is going to be the key to the next altcoin rally, in my personal opinion, is whenever this case does get settled, if it goes in favor of Ripple. I think that is what's going to boost altcoins in 2022. But continuing and finishing the rest of this article before we hop over to technical analysis, we can see here 2012 legal memos. One of the pillars of Ripple's defense is that it simply did not know that its XRP token could be categorized as a security. The SEC, the argument goes, should have notified the company of its intentions before taking the matter to court. By not doing so, the agency denied Ripple what it is known as fair notice. The powerful argument could go bust, though if it turns out that Ripple knew it was possible that SEC would take issue with the status of the token. Peter Vogel of counsel and member of the blockchain task force of law firm Frownley of Lardner explained to Cointelegraph. U.S. District Judge Analisa Torres ruled that by February 17th, Ripple would have to make public sealed legal memos from 2012 from Ripple's lawyers advising Ripple before launching XRP. The SEC claims that Ripple was advised in 2012 that XRP would be deemed a security under federal law. So Ripple was well aware of the risk that the SEC would bring a lawsuit. Ripple claims that the 2012 legal memos related only to proprietary internal strategies. If the memos clearly point to the absence of federal law violation, Ripple's argument will receive a massive boost. So this is what we're hoping for in tomorrow's documents to come into fruition, right? However, evidence suggests that the firm's executives chose to ignore their lawyers' relevant concerns ahead of launching XRP could considerably deflate Ripple's fair notice argument. So again, if this comes out that, the executives in Ripple's case did have fair notice that Ripple was a security, there is most likely going to be a nasty sell-off that happens for XRP. However, if this does come out positive, again, we see here that there is most likely going to be a massive boost. All right, so that was just me going over the meat of this article for you all. You guys can go check this out. This is on Cointelegraph.com. Going over to the technical analysis aspect of this venture, okay? My initial target areas for XRP to hold, as long as we hold above the 73-cent psychological level, and I'm going to get into that on the daily chart here in a second, then most likely we are going to see a massive rally back to the upside. In my personal opinion, I see trendline liquidity forming here in this area. Again, people like to call this some type of bull flag or channel. All right, if this channel is going to come into fruition and we are going to see a break to the upside, in my personal opinion, we are going to need to grab liquidity beneath these lows before going higher. So what could we see potentially happening now? A nasty pullback on XRP, okay, that comes down into that 73-cent region. And then we see a grab and sweep of the liquidity beneath these lows and beneath this trend line. And then we start to see a rally back to the upside, rejecting the 73-cent region. If we break that 73-cent region, I'm expecting XRP to come and attack the lows beneath these levels here at around 55 to 56 cents. And I've given you guys that technical analysis on previous XRP videos. But let's just go into the daily chart real fast and show you guys why I think that XRP is going to tap into the 73-cent range. Now, we saw in previous XRP technical analysis breakdowns on sites like FX Street and You Today, as well as Cointelegraph, that if we got a daily candlestick above the 84-cent region, we were most likely going to see a bullish rally on XRP. However, in the previous 2 days, we can see that XRP closed bullish above this 84-cent region. However, the day following that, we pulled back and we closed beneath it on the daily candlestick, okay? So in my personal opinion, if we're looking at discount in price on the daily, we see a level of support here, okay, that the market turned, utilized it as resistance, and melted off from, okay? Now the market has broken back above the 73-cent region, all right? So if we take our Fibonacci from the most relevant daily higher low, which is here, and we extend that up, okay, to the most relevant higher high that was created, we can see that 50% pullback from this daily swing high that was created all the way to the swing low. The 50% pullback would be at around 73 cents. All right. So let's see, again, in my personal opinion, this is what's going to happen tomorrow on XRP. Let's be mindful of any bearish closes beneath the 73-cent region. If we close beneath this psychological level, retest it, and start to inch lower, most likely we are going to see a dump on XRP. Okay. This is also going to surround the news that comes out. Now, if we reject this psychological level, look at the moving averages. Now, you guys know that I'm not a firm believer in indicators. However, we do see that there is a moving average crossover on the daily here. So, in my personal opinion, again, if price does come down into the 73-cent region, we need to see these moving averages hold. We need to see the price action of XRP pop back above the moving average on the daily and continue its bullish rally back above the moving averages, back above 73 cents, and to go potentially up into $1 to $1.05 in that range that we need to see price come and liquidate these sell positions here at these highs in the form of double tops or retail resistance. All right, so that is my daily analysis on XRP and giving you guys some bullish and bearish price targets to pay attention to. Again, those are 73 and 65 cents. The 65-cent region is my last area of support, where if we break this level of 65 cents, we are most likely going to drop to grab the liquidity beneath all of these equal lows here, or this supportive region, this quote-unquote buy the dip opportunity that everybody was expecting on XRP, and we are going to come and plummet down into the 41 to 48 cent range. All right, to the upside. If XRP price action does come out bullish tomorrow, most likely we are going to see a rally up into $1.05 to $1.20, and continuing the news surrounding the rest of this month in February on the 25th and the 28th of XRP. If these news events come out bullish for XRP as well, then most likely we are going to see XRP hold above $1 and rally up into maybe potentially $1.50 to $1.58. All right, blessings to you guys. You guys have my bullish and my bearish realistic targets for XRP price action. Be mindful of these levels. Again, this isn't investing advice. This was me just reading an article to you all and giving you guys my overall daily perspective on XRP price action and what we could potentially see in the next upcoming couple of days. Blessings to you guys. As always, be cognizant, be aware. Make sure that you smash that like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel before you head out, and I will see you guys in the next video breakdown.